Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for October 15th to 27th. October 15th to 19th. We have a ridge here near the Aleutians. We have a trough here over Western Canada to the northwest. And we have a ridge here across the southeast southern U.S. with above normal heights in the east. And the models are in agreement on this pattern at the beginning of the period, but then you see what happens as we go through this period. The flow starts to flatten. So the models are good agreement showing this, and this ridge you see here. Where is this? The ridge kind of retrogresses back to the west. This ridge here. So during this period, expect heavy rainfall for northern New England and Florida, and a series of Pacific disturbances will impact the northwest with rain and higher elevation snow. Temperatures will be above normal across much of the east, then gradually cool down, and above normal temperatures are forecast for the west, for most of the west, and the northwest will experience below normal temperatures due to the clouds and precipitation. October 18th to 22nd. We are at the 19th, expecting generally a zone of flow, but we still have a trough here from Alaska into the northwest, but still pretty much of a zone of flow. Here's a subtropical ridge. And we go through the models. They're in good agreement during this period. We go to the 22nd, we don't see much change. So during this forecast period, I'm forecasting below normal temperatures for this region here, with the numbers of 4 to 6 degrees below normal, and near to above normal temperatures are forecast for the remainder of the nation, with the numbers of 4 to 6 degrees above normal for precipitation. Forecasting above normal precipitation here, below normal precipitation forecast for the central and southern plains and Mississippi Valley to the Atlantic coast. October 23rd to 27th. Here at the 23rd, the pattern is zonal, so it's a zonal first with our trough here, very strong trough, and a zonal flow with near to above normal heights across much of the nation. But then you see what happens as we go through this period. We start seeing a change as we have a trough that starts to develop here in the east and heights build in the west, and this will be occurring due to blocking over Eurasia and the possibility of a recurving typhoon near Japan, and that will bring the trough into the north, into the east, you see right here. But that change, since temperatures will be so far above normal at the beginning of the period, we won't see that change till later. So therefore, forecasting still little change in temperature anomalies below normal temperatures here, above normal temperatures, near to above normal temperatures for the remainder of the nation, because that change will be happening first and it'll be gradual. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for the northwest, the Great Lakes region, and below normal precipitation forecast for the southern Rockies. So that's a long range weather forecast discussion for October 15th to 27th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.